Once Harshad visited a laughing gallery in a fun fair. There was a variety of mirrors in the laughing gallery. He observed different and funny images of himself in the mirrors and laughed. Many questions arose in his mind. Why is it not possible to see the distorted images in the mirrors at home? How is it possible in these mirrors? Let us study about it. First, let us study about the mirror. A mirror is a reflecting surface. Every day, you use a mirror to see yourself. It is a plane mirror. A plane mirror is a plain glass sheet having one side coated with a thin layer of silver and painted by red color to protect the silver coating. Another variety of mirror is a curved spherical mirror. It is a part of the spherical reflecting surface. Its cross-section is an arc of a circle. It is generally made up of glass. One surface of glass is silvered to make the other surface reflecting. If the inner side or concave side of the spherical surface is polished, it is a concave mirror. The light is reflected from an inner surface. It is also called as converging mirror, as rays parallel to the principal axis after reflection converge at a single point. If the outer side or convex side of the spherical surface is polished, it is a convex mirror. The light is reflected from the outer surface. It is also called diverging mirror, as rays parallel to the principal axis get diverged after reflection. Concepts related to spherical mirrors. 1. Center of curvature C. The center of sphere of which the mirror is a part is its center of curvature. 2. Pole P. The center of the spherical mirror is the pole. 3. Principal axis. The straight line passing through the pole and center of curvature of mirror is its principal axis. 4. Optical center. The central point of the mirror on the principal axis is its optical center. 5. Focus of concave mirror F. The rays parallel to the principal axis get reflected from the mirror and meet in front of the mirror at a single point. It is the focus of the concave mirror. 6. Focal length F. The distance between the pole and the focus is called focal length of mirror. The focal length is the half of the radius of curvature. Let us learn about light. Have you tried this? Stand in front of a mirror. Observe your image. Close all doors and windows of the room. Also, switch off the light in the room. Now can you see the image? Why? No, we cannot see the image because there is no light. Observation of images in various mirrors is related to light. It is only due to the presence of light that all of us can enjoy various natural wonders like sunset, sunlight, rainbow, etc. The beautiful world around us includes green forest, colorful flowers, blue sky at daytime which becomes black with twinkling stars at night. We also see different artificial objects in the surroundings only in the presence of light. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation that produces the sensation of vision. We are able to see any object when light rays from that object enter our eyes. Such an image formed by converging of rays at a point is a real image. The real image can be obtained on a screen. The image made by a plane mirror is a virtual image. This image is formed at a point from where the reflected or refracted light rays appear to diverge. This image cannot be projected on a screen because the rays do not actually meet there.